Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to use ink to text in OneNote. This feature is incredibly handy when you've jotted down quick handwritten notes and want to convert them into clean, editable text without having to retype everything manually. Let's walk through the process step by step. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and loading into your notebook. Once you launch the app, you'll see your list of notebooks. Simply click on the one you want to work with and it will open up, displaying all your pages and sections. Make sure you give it a moment to fully load, especially if you have a lot of content stored in that particular notebook. Once your notebook has been loaded, you're ready to begin converting your handwritten notes. To use ink to text in OneNote, start by locating the text drawing you wish to convert into text. This is more like a scribble note that you've quickly taken, maybe during a meeting or a brainstorming session. Now, to convert this to text, start by clicking on the Draw menu located on the top part of your screen. This menu contains all the drawing and handwriting tools you need for working with ink in OneNote. Now, you'll need to highlight the text drawing you've made. Click on the Select Object icon, which is the one that looks like a mouse pointer. This tool allows you to select handwritten content rather than typing or drawing new elements. Once you've clicked on it, start highlighting your drawing by clicking and dragging across the handwritten text you want to convert. Make sure you capture all the ink strokes you want to transform, as anything left unselected won't be included in the conversion. Once your drawing is highlighted, look at the top part of your screen. You'll see the ink to text menu appear. This option only shows up when you have ink selected, so if you don't see it, double check that your handwritten notes are properly highlighted. Click on ink to text and it will automatically change your drawing into an editable text. The conversion happens almost instantly, and you'll see your handwritten scribbles transform into typed text that you can edit, format, or move around, just like any other text in OneNote. And that's it. You've successfully converted your handwritten notes into editable text using OneNote's ink to text feature. This is a real time saver for anyone who prefers writing by hand but needs digital text for sharing or organizing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.